My name is Angela Carpenter, and I am the music specialist at Harrington Elementary. My LEF grant was submitted in 2015 entitled Empowering 21st Century Musicians Teaching Musical Compositions with Interactive Whiteboard Technology, and stemmed from my thirst for getting advanced technology into the Harrington Music Room, which was, at that time, only equipped with a regular projector.
All right, go ahead and read it.
Today.
Having previously taught for nearly a decade in New York State, I had grown accustomed to having a smartboard in my classroom and had created many lessons and activities that involved smart technology. When I came to Lexington in 2015, I was surprised to see that the music room did not have a smartboard and there were no long-term plans to have one installed. I had created many composition-based lessons using the smartboard in my previous schools and missed seeing the excitement and engagement from students who got to use technology to compose in music class. Composing is a vital part of a child's music education, and there were so many cool ways to tap into this music standard using technology. So, when I heard about how the LEF looks to fund and support the development and piloting of innovative approaches to teaching, the creation of enriched teaching materials, and the testing of new uses of technology in the classroom, I knew I had to write a proposal. I am so grateful to the LEF for approving this program grant. In 2016, I was able to present a session at Lexington Learns Together demonstrating how to integrate this technology to performing arts teachers, and since then have worked with my colleagues to create templates and lessons for them to use. As you can see in the pictures and videos of students learning in music class at Harrington, our students have truly benefited from having this interactive whiteboard to use in music class since the fall of 2016. A huge thank you to the LEF for this incredible gift of technology.